Yeah. So coming from the store side of things and certainly biased towards payment systems, I can tell you what we do from a toolbox. We really provide a toolbox. Um, if you're looking at opening a brand new location, I can tell you the biggest thing that you can do to drive customers through the door up front is to pay for it. What I mean by that is double their money. And so something that we have always done in our stores, and we've had as many as 7 and sold a number of them a couple of years ago, but in every single one of them, the first 2 weeks, whatever they put on their card, we doubled it. So they put 10 on their card, they get 20, they put 20, they get 40, 100, they get 200. And it does a couple of things. One is it advertises amazing. I mean, this idea that you can double your value by just walking in the door. But what you might not think is that you're also now buying their loyalty for some time. You know, once they have $200 on their card, where else are they going to go with that money? You know, and so store owners love this spike of business that they see on the what I call the revenue side. But then when that 2 weeks ends, and it does have to end eventually, you have to wait for them to spend it. And so you're going to see the revenue drop a little bit, but you're going to see what I call sales continue to plateau. And that's what they spend in the store. And so but you're acquiring customers. And, you know, laundry is like many things. It's a habit, right? Everybody does laundry. My wife does laundry every Monday. I could not convince her to do it on any other day. If I tried, she is going to do it on Monday. And I think that that's probably true of a lot of people's habits. They're going to do laundry on the day they want to do it. They're going to go to the place they've always gone to do it. You know, we all know we don't make anything. We just move around where the laundry is processed. And so you have to change their habit. And so how do you do that? You buy their loyalty. And so once they have $200 invested with you and they got to spend that over the course of a number of weeks, they're changing their habit because they got to drive to you instead of where they used to go. And so, you know, that's one of the ways, I guess it kind of covers both ways. You've got the upfront where you've got the acquisition side, and then you've got this kind of retention and loyalty layer to it. It's expensive, don't get me wrong, but I think that when you look at what you plan on spending in marketing when you're trying to open a business, put some money in there and say, I'm willing to spend this money in order to acquire customers and then to retain them.
Don't forget